hate the fact that I'm even making this video right now. Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know my face, I'm Snidey. Nice to meet you. So we just got back from the Nürburgring in Germany in the XFR. You may have seen that video previously. If not, go and watch that. And then I got back and the SVR is broken, I'm afraid. What's wrong with it, did you ask? Well, I'm going to show you right now. Let's go. So, here she is in all her glory. I got back from the Nürburgring in the XFR. Absolutely did be proud, by the way. What a motor. This might go next once I've fixed it. So, the sunroof has stopped working. So, I did the obvious thing, which was check the fuses. The fuses are fine. And then I got to this stage. Me just jump in here. Popped out the headline in. Went in there, the one motor's working, the other motor isn't working. I think what the problem is the motor, the module doesn't think that the sunroof is closed. So what I've got to do now is drop all the headline in and basically investigate further, because it could be like it could have come off its track or something, I don't really know. But if any of you lot have had this problem with your L494 in general, then you're probably going to want to watch this video. Pray for me. 1 like equals 1 prayer. Let's get this headlining stripped off.
This job's actually not too bad to do. You've got 3 T30s, not 230s, that's the dentist clock, innit? Holding on the sun visor, so 6 in total on the other side, which is not too bad. Just be careful when you remove the sun visor, because there's a wire that is holding it in place. But you don't need to get it out, you just need to gain access to be able to get the roof lining down. And you'll also need to remove the A-pillar. There's a secret bolt behind there, it's 8mm, and it's behind the thing that says airbag. It's like a plastic tab that pops off. Grab handles, same again, 3 T30s. Job's a good one. I think I've got to the bottom of the problem. I didn't film all that because I was actually swearing a lot, but we've managed to get the headliner down to a respectable level to be able to gain access. And we have removed the motor, which is just here. And as I removed the motor, I was blessed with this. So the teeth, basically, they've not been to the dentist and their teeth have rotted out. So that's good. On the upside, I think it means I should just be able to get a set of teeth for it. I'm gonna have a quick look now online, see what's what, and hopefully that fixes it, maybe. Cool. I'll see you in a minute. Once I've got some teeth. It might be a couple of days, but don't matter. Luckily, it's not me. Luckily, we've got the trusty Nissan Micra. More on that in a minute. We've found a motor, and it's half an hour away. So we're going on a road trip. Do you want to come with me? Come on then. Ooh. Right. We're road tripping in the old trusty JDM. Off to get this part, this sunroof motor. Oh, look at that. First turn of the key. This car runs out of MOT in 2 days, and I think it's going to go straight through, to be honest. But either way, it's the best £250 I've ever spent. Let's get out of here. Some video. Initially, the SVR content's not done very well, but it's more than a content car. It's an absolute, like, just gives you a whole experience when you're driving it. Just commands the road. And I've not really had any like major issues with it. I had to put a battery on it, obviously, as I would have demonstrated in the video when I was installing the air ride on the XFR. And other than that, it's not really given me any jip at all. O2 sensor. So to get back from Germany and just get that thrown into thin air, it's like it was a big giant fuck you for not taking it to the ring. Because initially I didn't think I was going to be able to get the XFR ready in time. So I was going to have to take the SVR instead. And I think because I didn't take it, his feelings got hurt. And he's like, oh, I'm going to throw a wobbly now and break something. So yeah, we're going to go and pick up this motor. Just heading there now. Get back to the gaff, get it installed, and hopefully by the end of this video we'll be fixed. And if you have a problem with your sunroof, you'll know exactly what you need to do to fix it yourself. Currently going down the world's probably fucking bounciest road I've ever been on, and probably also the world's straightest road I've ever been on. This
great in this car. It's like a dune buggy. Bloody, I'm glad I didn't bring the XFR down here. Oh God, this is a test. This is a test for the vehicle. Oh, you fighter. We're nearly there though, 10 minutes away. Oh, let's go get this motor. Bloody hell. Right, motor secured. It does say L405, but mine's not an L405, so we'll see how that fits when I get back. Hopefully it fits. Right, we're back at the gaff. Motor, SVR. Let's get it installed. You happy with that, Pab? Yeah, good lad. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's tight. If this needs coding in, I'm going to cry. Low battery. It's a brand new battery. Shut up. Right, we're on. Oh! That mean the blind works now? We're fucking rocking and rolling, lad. Do I really want to, do I dare try and open this fully? And see if it opens and closes fully. Do I do it? Because if it gets stuck open, this is going to be like a fish tank by the end of the day. Let's do it. I'm going to try and grease up the tracks, you know. Bear with me. Right, sunroof's open. I've greased up the tracks. Let's see if we're opening and closing a bit better now. Hopefully, because it didn't really want to open. Spray that up and all. Have a look. Not sure whether that's as fast or as slow as it's meant to be or not, but I think I've fixed it. I think I've done a thing. Right, let's get it all put back together. Right, let's get this whole put together in 3, 2, 1. That was good, weren't it? I've even swapped seats. All back together. Huh, imagine. My blind's now working. Very slowly, but the battery is very, very tired from just having nothing but the ignition running. But the missus will be happy. It's nice and dark in here now, so we're all done. If anybody's got any questions on what I had to do for bits that I didn't manage to film, leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Other than that, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more tips. And we're going to go out for a blast in the Range Rover SVR soon because we've got some mods to do to it soon. They're upstairs waiting, but that's for another video. See you in a bit.